Hi there guys, and welcome back to ToyBroadway. Today I wanted to share with you the next edition of the official Paw Patrol magazine, and it even has a Marshall dress up set on the front, so stay with me to the end and we'll take a closer look. Inside there's a Mighty Pups mini mag, there's making finger puppets and over 35 stickers. So let's dive straight in and take a look. Oh wow, it's Ryder and the Paw Patrol gang. And you can make your very own Paw Patrol characters. There's some amazing fun stickers. Oh look, I can see Rubble and Sky. And look, there's all the gang. There's a farmyard scene. There's Jungle Fun with Tracker. And the first of two stories, Pups Save Alex's Mini Patrol. There's lots of colouring fun and sticker fun as well. And a Mighty Pups to the Rescue poster. There's Counting with Rubble and Zuma's Making a Splash, and so much more in this amazing magazine. And some more of our favourite characters for us to make. Okay, it's time for us to take a look at Marshall's dress up set. This is going to be awesome, guys. Wow! We have a fire extinguisher with Marshall on the front. We have Marshall's special badge. We have Marshall's keys. Oh, that's so cool. And best of all, we have Marshall's Paw Patrol hat. Be sure to like this video then guys, and be sure to check out my channel. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the toy fun. I've put together a Paw Patrol playlist with bonus videos, so be sure to check those out.